Wow, we've had 2 straight really gray days.
Yeah, I had to run an errand after the early shows this morning, and the mist was just, it made it so damp and chilly outside.
Right? Yes.
And you can see it's not even heavy enough to show up on Fort Warren Doppler, but all the major reporting sites, the Falls, Buffalo, down even on into Bradford, are reporting that drizzle-type precipitation, and that is going to continue at times throughout the afternoon on into tonight. I was talking to Janet and Nick from KISS 98.5 this morning with doing the radios. They were saying their KISS Dispatch 2K11 tonight. I think something like that is a perfect activity tonight because it is just damp and chilly outside. Somebody else in the newsroom said it's a hot chocolate kind of day. Totally agree with you there. Not only are we dealing with the drizzle outside, we're also seeing some areas of fog, and that's indicated by the reduced visibility, especially in Bradford, Wellsville, and Jamestown. Visibility is there about a mile or less. So if you're out driving today, just take it easy out there. Damp roadways across all of western New York and portions of northern Pennsylvania. Cloudy skies, and again, we're seeing that light rain. Chilly temperatures, we're at 39. We've pretty much been here throughout the morning hours. We're really going to stay here throughout the remainder of the day. 37 coming in at the Falls and Jamestown, 40 in Dunkirk as well as Bradford, 39 for those of you in Wellsville. Neighborhood temperatures in the upper 30s, 38 in Williamsville, 39 in Lancaster. Cheektowaga, you're right at 40 degrees, 41 in Hamburg. Our transmitter in Colden coming in at 36. So for today, the scattered light rain and drizzle is going to continue. It's not heavy enough where you need an umbrella, but it does really add to that chill in the air. It makes it feel very damp outside. We're looking at a high around 40 degrees. The clouds hang on today on into tonight. Now tonight, you want to be cautious of slick roadways, especially for those of you south of Buffalo in the highest elevations. We could start to see some freezing drizzle develop. Areas of fog also develop overnight tonight, a low temperature around 30 degrees. Super microcast, here we are, 6 o'clock tonight. You can see a little bit of a mix indicated here. Otherwise, we're looking at, again, patchy, light rain and drizzle. We're not looking at any steady precipitation tonight on into tomorrow. I think super microcast is being a little bit aggressive with the intensity, but it does have the timing down pretty well on this. You can see at 6 a.m., it's still bringing in some scattered drizzle, potentially some freezing drizzle tomorrow morning. We could see areas of black ice. You want to keep that in mind for your morning commute if you're out driving early tomorrow. Once we get to the midday hours, though, it does look like we begin to dry things out. We're mainly dry for a good portion of tomorrow. The freezing drizzle and drizzle would be confined mainly during the morning hours. We're looking at a mainly dry midday, afternoon, and evening. A low temperature of about 30, or a high of about 38. For tomorrow night, we're brisk. There's a slight chance we see some snow develop late, mainly south of Buffalo, a low of 28, a southern tier low of 22. For Friday, widespread snow is still looking likely. It's not a massive snowstorm by any means, but it would be kind of our first snowy event of the season. We've, of course, had our first measurable snowfall, but I think this one would entail, you know, the winter driving type conditions out there. We're looking at a high on Friday of 34. For Saturday, there's a chance of snow mainly south of Buffalo and a high temperature on Saturday of 31 degrees. So I know you've been wanting